Hey, change gear today. We're gonna change to something lighter. Wing is push me that way. Nope, so far nothing yet. Ooh, see that? Some small fish. It means something, right? You have a big fish, you have a big fish. It's always like that. Oh, got a bite. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Take it. Take it, take it! Yes, 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 yes. We got something here. Okay, okay, okay. Come on, come on. What's that? I got something. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. What's that? What's that? What's that? Okay. What's that? It looks like another bonefish. Yeah, it's another bonefish. Cool. Got a bonefish. Oh, this is a small baby. This one is small. This one is small. Alright. Okay, this is small. This one is about 20. Yeah, it's about 20. Okay. Starting from this end. Okay, 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 okay. 20, yeah. It's 20. Alright, bonefish. Nice. Nice. I'm here only like 10 minutes. Got a bonefish already. Alright. See ya. Bye. Cool. Okay, it's getting a lot more windy. I'm about to leave. The last few try, okay? And then we're gonna go. I think that fish is the other fish here still. See that? Ah, okay, that's a pretty good one actually. This is actually a pretty good one. That's a snook. Okay. That's a snook. Alright, snook. Cool. Snook. Alright. Oh man, it's a lot more windy now. Okay. Alright. Just gotta go, right? Woohoo. Yeah, I see. Small hook always works.